If you've ever drank a Dorchester and thought this would be really great with rum, then we got the drink for you. Just keep watching and you're going to see exactly what that's like.
But louder.
But louder.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. I'm Derek, that's Ian, and we're going to make a Hemingway Daiquiri, also known as a Daiquiri number 3 for you guys today.
Nice.
It's awesome. You want it?
Hemingway was good.
Yep.
The ingredients are 2 ounces of blended white rum. Today we're using Havana Club. Tres Anos. It's got 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, a half an ounce of grapefruit juice, and a half ounce of Maraschino Liqueur, which we're using Luxardo for.
Años.
Años. What did I say? Anos?
Yeah. You want American. I'm only correcting you, not to be a dick, but I don't want to deal with
Well, someone's going to correct me, so I mean...
No, but now the YouTube people won't.
You left your knife at home this time?
I did. I don't typically carry it with me. I just wanted to show it to you guys since I just made it.
The producer, executive producer, is Stefan. Oh, shit. Let's go with Stefan. His last name's out there. I'm going to try it. Oltinu?
Oltinu?
Yeah, go with that.
I don't know.
So this recipe... Oh, wait!
Submitted by...
Like and subscribe to this video if you want to know more about making cocktails. If you want to be able to be like the next awesome home bartender around your neighborhood that everybody invites places. This is the place to be.
Be prepared to be very popular.
Yeah, you'll be popular and you'll always be doing work at all the places that you used to have fun.
Yeah, if you like staying busy when you go places, it is the way to do it.
And that's what we're all about here. So, you should like and subscribe. We did our executive producer a little bit on this drink. This is from the bar La Floridita cocktail menu, first created by Constantino. Oops. I can never say Constantino's last name. We'll go Constantino Vert in Cuba. The daiquiri, this is a daiquiri variation, often referred to as the Hemingway Daiquiri, submitted by Justin Waterhouse on the recipe at everydaydrinkers.com email address submission. You can also go to everydaydrinkers.com, click on the recipe submission thing if you want to submit your own recipes. I can tell you if you make a good submission that has a tasty recipe, it's got a better chance of being made than people who call, you send me fuck you up juice, full like alcohol and stupid shit. We're done with that. Like, that's just dumb. So,
not the channel for it. Feel free to submit.
We've done it all.
You never know when we're going to do a fuck you up drink week. It could happen.
And it does on occasion happen.
Drink week.
Fuck you up, drink week. We're going to shake and strain this cocktail. Give it a good 10-second shake. You're going to strain it. I would put it in a coupe glass, mainly because it calls for it. The drink recipe 2, 3 should almost fit it. It might be a little big with the dilution factor, so you can go up on the coupe if you have to. I'm going to order some more of these if it doesn't fit in there.
Get a Grand Coupe. Grand Coupe?
I don't like the name.
After you drink it, just pour the rest back in.
Yeah, that's always
Now
that.
you gotta taste it.
Fine.
The voice of reason speaks again.
So the reason I went...
Oh, sorry.
That's just me. The reason I chose to pick a Havana Club...
Good stuff.
Oh, let me take a sip first and I'll explain to you.
Long darling.
There you go.
Yo!
Oh, shit. That one stunk.
That one sounded like a little more high-pitched. It was good.
That was pretty. Where's my other Havana Club?
Thank you, Stefan. The other Havana Club?
In here?
Probably in the rum area.
Or
Or it's over there. I don't know.
I'm not sure here.
Okay.
Here's one of them. So,
Oh yeah, there is one that makes one that we can get too, right?
what?
Yes.
Bacardi.
That one.
Bacardi puts
This
on
is
Havana.
That's Havana Club. That's Havana Club. There's a video right above on the differences between them. We blind taste them, tell you which one we like better. The reason either of these will work, this is a Puerto Rican company with a Cuban original recipe for Havana Club. This Havana Club is made by the Cuban government, basically, who took over the distillery. So, whatever Cuban you like, the place Cuba, or do you like the recipe that came from Cuba, whatever makes you happy. The reason I use it in here is because Hemingway spent a lot of his time in Havana.
Cuba.
Cuba. Because that was his thing. So, and he was at the Floridita where he made, I think they have a statue of him in the bar where he used to sit.
Okay.
They just took his space and put a statue there.
Yeah, he's probably earned it. That's pretty tasty. I like that.
It is actually pretty tasty.
That's very classic.
There was a tweak to this recipe. Oh, there it is. So one of the tweaks is we are using lime juice that I've already pressed, but if you used a fresh lime, you could put half the hull in here. The same thing you use for garnish on a Mai Tai. You put it in there when you shake it, and apparently just that extra citrus zest kind of tones down some of the Luxardo.
You probably get some of the zest from the peel, not just from the juice.
Yeah.
Once you start breaking those.
And that supposedly softens some of the Luxardo if it's overwhelming. This drink the Luxardo should probably be overwhelming, but we've drank so many Dorchesters at this point. Like, this has that, like, this is like a rum Dorchester.
Yeah.
It's got the, look, it's got grapefruit, it's got lime, which is, it's everything in a Dorchester. The only difference is it's Havana instead of a
different
gin.
ratios, right?
Well, the other one is a gin, so there's a big difference.
Different ratios also a little bit. I don't remember.
2 3/4 1/2. No, it's the same freaking thing. This is exactly.
It's the Hemingway Dorchester.
Yeah, this is exact ratios. 2 3/4 1/2 1/2 for a Dorchester versus this. So if you replace this with a gin, you have a Dorchester. Link right here. We use the same glass. It has like that.
I thought you were going to link to the Havana Club comparison.
I already did that.
Damn it.
When I brought it out.
That's why I wasn't paying attention for. You say interesting stuff every once in a while. I should listen to you more often.
I try and get as much out as I can in a 7-minute period. And some of it, and then you have to take your pick on which is good stuff and what stuff makes no sense.
7 minutes is all I need.
Right, just get messy. As much out as you can in 7 minutes.
Sometimes.
It's pretty good.
It gets red.
Talking about your bank account balance. Boom, a rich guy. Poor guy.
Poor guy. Definitely. But I got $10 extra to Stephanie.
Rich guy.
Or Steve.
Don't screw up the name. It might come off.
Come off in 7 minutes.
What's CA?
Canada.
Ah, okay.
So let's see. How did you guys get the... Okay, so the question was, how do we get Havana Club if it's Cuban and we're not in Cuba and it's illegal to have... And most people, if you're watching outside of the United States, so 2% of you, we can't get this Havana Club. This you can get because it's made by Bacardi and it's in Puerto Rico.
Funny thing, when you travel to other countries, though...
You can.
You can.
I bought this one in New Mexico. No, Mexico. That's still our country.
Dominican?
In real Mexico, in old Mexico. I bought...
Where they make the Coke.
Yes. That too.
Yeah.
I bought my original Havana Club in Germany, and all the rest of these I've purchased as I've traveled into Mexico, right at the tax duty-free liquor store. Duty-free store. This is like $20, $18. This is a 1 point something liter.
1.75.
Yeah.
They all are in the duty free.
Yeah.
175? No, that's a 1 liter. 175 is a handle.
What is that?
That's 1 liter.
1 liter.
What's 1 liter?
This.
This is probably 750
That's
milliliter.
750.
That's a liter.
That's 750. That's 1,000. That looks like a liter.
1 liter.
But
yeah.
a handle is
You need, like,
170.
Credit the Bacardi on the floor over there.
Is there 175 or is it 175 or 150? I can't remember.
This is 1.75.
Yeah.
That's the size that.
So this
you don't
is
get
this plus this.
Yeah. Oh, that'd be awesome.
Size wise.
I need one of these for this.
That.
They don't make these with those. So there's
Nope.
that.
Nope.
Okay, they don't make these with those, so there's that. January 1/8. No, wait, Jan 1/8. Coupon code below if you want to save 15% at Awesome Drinks until about February 22nd.
Love the poutine.
What?
Not poutine. Poutine.
Oh, you're right. It is down. Power move. You can
That's
get
not my language.
at awesomedrinks.com. You can go get the CFC Bar Master sold out right now, but you can get all the other stuff that we have there, like bitters, glasses, the good stuff. Watch our course. Go to learn.awesomedrinks.com and go through the first 8 courses. Will teach you how to use all your bar tools. The next series of courses I'm still working on. I'm going to teach you how to design a cocktail, so that when we get to the making of the cocktails in that series, you'll be like all
It'll
ready.
all make sense.
Literally, learn.awesomedrinks.com is going to be the 10 years I've been doing the show, all the bartenders I've met along the way, all the knowledge I've sucked in from their life, built into a complete my life history. Dump it out, and you have all the information for free.
Derek versus time.
I got sick of people oh, you should make a course and sell it. People don't buy my shit.
Put something on Udemy. I bought stuff on Udemy before.
What the fuck is Udemy?
Look up Udemy. It's good stuff.
Sounds like a urinary tract infection.
No, it's a online university.
You in Udemy? Yeah. Oh yeah, they email me sometimes.
Yeah, I like some of their stuff. Is pretty good. I mean, it's all individually produced content. I think so.
Maybe I should just rebroadcast it.
There you go.
Actually, not rebroadcast, like redo it. But
yeah. I mean, people put stuff out there for like. I bought a course on discount for like $12. It was like a basic drawing course.
So anyway, but mine is free.
Maybe that's an off-camera discussion, but something. To look
right.
at.
My goal was I'm selling all this knowledge, so you buy all the stuff at Awesome Drinks. I'm basically training people to understand how to make a cocktail, so that then they can go to awesomedrinks.com where we sell all the stuff and go, I know what this is.
So you don't have to watch 3,000 videos.
Right. To go, how the fuck do I use raspberry simple syrup?
Yeah. Or, I mean, we've made wing it cocktails like the Common Man Sour in the past, where we take some cocktail knowledge, drop it, and make a drink out of it. Yeah.
This is sort of like this.
Not rocket science.
That's actually kind of how you did the Green Dragon too, wasn't it?
Yeah,
yeah,
it was a daiquiri, which is similar to this. It's
it was
the
a
same
base.
type of ratios. You just need a base. And daiquiri will be one of the bases for those videos. So you have that information now. Of course, you've already liked the video, so I don't have to tell you to do that again. Sidebar, we're going to... Rest in peace, Doug. We love you. What?
He said, "Where's Doug?" I said, "He's buried in our basement."
Oh. Doug,
that's hard.
Doug is buried in our basement. Doug also quit drinking, so that makes it very difficult to do the show.
I quit drinking too.
No, you didn't.
That's it for when I'm here.
Okay. Sidebar for more videos. Down below, links to ostrix.com. You can click to maybe get like a bartender starter kit or something like that. That's it, my friends. We are teaching you how to drink.